Imagine a female, living her life peacefully in the depths of the ocean, gracefully swimming through coral reefs, reproducing, laying eggs, fulfilling her role in the cycle of life exactly as expected. But then, in a sudden moment, without any obvious signs, she begins to change. Not just her behavior, but everything about her, her hormones, her reproductive organs, even her appearance. Suddenly, this female transforms into a fully functioning male, capable of producing sperm, leading a group of females, and mating with them. Sounds crazy, right? But it's absolutely real. This astonishing phenomenon is called protogeny. Welcome to this video, where we'll take you deep into one of nature's most extreme and bizarre secrets. We'll be talking about a type of sex change that doesn't come from choice or desire, but from an amazing strategy used by certain fish species to maximize their chances of survival and reproduction. In the world of fish, things don't work the same way they do on land. In some species, it's actually better to start life as a female, because at smaller sizes, they can't produce large quantities of eggs. But as they grow, and every centimeter adds power and presence, they become more capable of dominating, defending, and attracting mates. That's when the transformation happens. From female to male, everything changes. Take the bluehead rasa, for example. The female begins her life dull in color and mild in behavior. But once the dominant male dies, that female starts to change. Her color shifts to a vibrant blue, she becomes aggressive and dominant, and within just a few days she takes over as the new male of the group. In parrotfish, something similar happens. The terminal males, those who were once females, develop brilliant colors and a completely different appearance, becoming the dominant individuals in their social groups. We also see this in groupers like the endangered Nassau grouper, which starts life as a female and, when the time and size are right, transforms into a male. The same phenomenon occurs in some species of angelfish and even in tiny damselfish, which seem completely ordinary until they change. What makes this phenomenon even more fascinating is that it's not limited to the reproductive system. It affects everything about the fish, its behavior, appearance, even its social role. The body stops producing eggs and starts forming testes, while the brain rewires under the influence of hormones, and the new male begins to assert his presence. But this phenomenon isn't just fascinating, it's also fragile. When large males are overfished in these species, it disrupts the natural balance and can seriously affect their ability to reproduce. Understanding how these systems work doesn't just help us marvel at nature, it helps us protect it. And so, we discover how a single female can live two completely different lives and play two opposite roles. If what you just heard amazed you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the strange and mind-blowing wonders of the animal kingdom. We'll see you in other depths, from a world stranger than fiction.